Okay, so today we're going to go over the lying hamstring curl. So, just as a caveat, every machine is going to feel different and every machine has a different setup. But the way that you set yourself up is going to be similar across the board, all right? So, the hamstring curl, it's getting the back of those thighs. It's what fills out your leg so it doesn't look like you are walking on a pair of sticks, all right? With this, so you'll see I have two pads up here. That's just how my machine is because it's uncomfortable without it. All right, so to get into it, this is a weight loaded. Okay, so some will be a pen load, which are great, but this one is a weight load. Now to set up, so my knees are going to go right on top of this pad. And what you want to do is make sure it's not on top of your kneecaps, but it's just above your knee. All right, so making sure that that pad, that support is on your thigh, not your actual kneecap. Okay, so you're going to lay down. Now, again, each setup is going to be a little bit different as long as your thigh is on that support and not your kneecap. All right. And then with this one, sometimes you'll be able to adjust that foot pad, right? So where that top pad is on my calf, a lot of times you will be able to adjust it, which will change the trajectory, will change the physics just because of the leverage. All right. And then with this one, I like to have a slight decline because it puts more of a stretch in that bent over position. All right. So instead of just straight, I'm bent over a little bit, which will give me more of a stretch in those hamstrings. Now, what you want to do, okay, so you're going to bring your legs up close to your butt and then control it on the way back down. That is the key, right? Controlling it. Okay, squeeze and then bring it back down. So again, you should be feeling it in the back of those thighs. So that is a lying hamstring curl. If you have any questions about this, please drop them in the comments below. And if you have another exercise you want me to break down or coach you up on, leave them in the comments and I'll add it to the list.